Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want custom puddle lights in your car? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project and the reasons why you're gonna wanna do this yourself. Now, keep in mind, every car manufacturer out there has puddle lights, and custompuddlelights.com will make them for any brand. So while we're working with a BMW today, you really can apply this to just about any car, any design, and anything your heart desires. Now, design, yeah, that's the really cool thing. Custom puddle lights are not uncommon, right? So you can get them from the manufacturers, you can get them from the aftermarket, you can have different designs, and in the BMW case, you can have M logos and all kinds of different things, and that's great. But custom puddle lights, that makes a huge difference. So you can have exactly what you want. And in addition, you can also do dual lens puddle lights. So it'll have two different images instead of just one. That's the big differentiator. So for the cool versus effort project, it's really high in this case. The install of these takes about 5 minutes total, and it's gonna take about a minute because I'm gonna show you on a single door instead of both. But what I think is the coolest thing about this is you can have custom designs. Now, this particular reference today, I am a big fan of the TV show The Expanse. If you haven't seen it, if you see it, awesome, you'll get the reference. If you haven't, that's okay. But there's a ship in The Expanse called the Rocinante, and they have a logo that's on the side of the ship the entire time. We have custom Rocinante logos for the puddle lights for the X3. This is so cool. I am just stupid excited for this, for something so simple and so easy to do. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. We're gonna do it on the driver's side door. I'll show you how to do this and we'll walk right through it. All right guys, so I'm gonna hold the lens up here so you can see it. This is the new lens. Plug on one side, little ledge on the other. So what you're gonna end up doing underneath the door with a plastic trim tool, because it's like this in the door, you're gonna press on one side to press in and then down. It's that simple. All right, so let's jump underneath. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here's the puddle light under the driver's side door. So when this is in place, if you press on one side and it doesn't go anywhere, you go in the wrong direction. If you take your plastic trim tool and press on the other side and you feel the whole thing move, that means that the little depressing lock, the little tab that depresses on, is on that side. So what you're gonna wanna do is press on that side to press that lock in and press it in flat, and then use another trim tool on this side to pry downward. The other side won't pry because you see there's the light. And there's that little locking tab right there. As you can see, it needs to depress back in. Okay, so then just unplug this and plug the new one in. It really is that simple. So just get your fingernail in there, pull it out, plug it in, put the plug side in first like this, and then just press the new one up into place. All right, so let me get the new lens in place. That is amazing. Oh, that is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. We swing all the way out. Oh, I love it. All right, which actually leads to one thing. There's a little adjustment tool. It's this little wire tool with little metal fingers on each side that you can take to it to turn the lenses. So my secondary lens that says, "You got it, boss," I think is perfect in line with the door, but the Rocinante logo, I'm gonna turn clockwise just ever so much to be straight with the door. Oh man, if you can't tell how excited I am, this is absolutely perfect. Custom puddle lights, killed it, just killed it. They're super bright. My garage is not dark at all right now, and these are really bright. Ah, well done, guys. This is fantastic. All right, it's perfect. I might make a few more simple adjustments, but oh man, that could not be more perfect. I absolutely love it. What a fantastic job these guys did. The projector is perfect. The logo is perfect. All right, well done, Custom Puddle Lights. Yeah, you guys absolutely killed it. All right, guys, so I think the bottom of their box says it perfectly. It says, start enjoying the "where did you get that?" question. I absolutely can see that. Guys, this is one of the coolest things I've seen for a car in a long, long time, and their design work was perfect. I gave them the image, and what they created for me is absolutely flawless. So imagine what your hobbies are. Imagine, what your favorite movies are, that sort of thing. I'm starting to look at some of my other cars going, do I do custom puddle lights on my others? So what a fantastic thing, and their design and creation is exactly on point. So thank you to Custom Puddle Lights for making such an incredible creation. This is going to be amazing in this car moving forward, and I am beyond excited. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.